Okay, I came in here with just the vacuum. Didn't have my phone, thinking, I don't really feel like video recording. I just want to get this done and get it over with. And already been to Walmart. Already got the new, HDMI cord for my TV and laptop, since I dropped my laptop last night and accidentally broke the cord, so TV, it won't work no more. Oh, and I meant to bring that essential oil in here. I forgot. But yeah, there is a dead cricket in my new our new unit, and I don't play that. I don't play that. No. So I did want to get a picture or a video. See the removal. Put this on here. Let's put this on here. Put my crevice tool up there. And get the removal of the dead cricket. Yeah. You know, I might be able to deal with some other dust, about the dust bunnies or whatever. And I swear it looked like a couple of tiny poop turd pills there. Oh, they're so tiny. Maybe they're lizards. I do remember. I can't remember exactly when, where, and how. I think it was when I was living in the fifth wheel in Comfort. Doing research, I think I saw information. Information educating me, informing me that some lizard droppings look like extremely tiny replicas of mouse droppings. Anyway. Okay. I meant to bring that clove oil in here because I got the two or three new bottles of essential oil. I think I got the variety pack that had orange, mandarin, lemon, or lemongrass, and clove. I did not have a new bottle of peppermint this time. Yeah, my nose is running, so okay. I feel like I'm having symptoms of having a mild cold or allergy symptoms with my nose running. I'm not sneezing yet, but I'm blowing my nose. Oh yeah, blowing my nose running. Bottle back here, peppermint oil. I had dumped that, and it was almost empty anyway. Oh, my nose is dripping. Oh, this is so gross. like I be seeing little bitty wings and stuff. Okay, let me go get, okay, let me go get the oil. And blow my nose again. Yeah. Okay. My nose is dripping. About to drip, man. About to drip, drip. Oh. Kleenex. Napkin. We got all kind of napkins. Yeah, I got napkins up in here. McDonald's napkins. Oh, they're good for blowing your nose. Oh boy. Good girl. You're a good girl. I don't hear no whining and crying. Maybe you were doing it and I didn't hear it because I was in there with the vacuum going. Oh, my knee. Oh, don't I have another little? Yeah, there's another little treat. Good girl. Okay. Whew. Okay. Let's see. Put the oil in my pocket. Right? In my purse pocket. Yeah. Okay. There we go. All right. And we're almost through, baby. Almost through. Almost. Almost. Okay. Yeah. Whew. Okay. So we got tangerine and clove. That should work real good. Alrighty. Okay. Put this here for a minute. See if this will work. Woo. Man. Okay, I forgot I already sprinkled